Hello everyone and welcome back to Alan Wake. After what feels like an eternity, we're back.
Be aware of Widowmakers.
Oh, okay. Back off, buddy! Yeah. Okay, so that's some sound advice from Mr. Bloke. Be aware of Widowmakers. Must be a must be a logging term or something. I'm not entirely sure. Oh, come on, Alan! Oh, what are you doing? Quickly over there. What the hell? Birds. Make it through the woods. We want to go this way, but this way is so inviting. This way doesn't invite me anywhere. I don't like all the little noises, I get scared. Whoa! Jesus Christ! That proper made me jump. I've got my sound turned really high, so that was... Back off, buddy. Oops. Oh god, I'm running out of battery. Looks like a checkpoint up ahead. Whew. That's brilliant. Ah yes, good, we need some ammo. We also, yeah, we'll have some flares, that'll be good. Well, I know what this... Okay.
Logging is a hazardous occupation.
Is it? Oh, a man with a chainsaw. Lovely. Get out of here. We can take some shooting. There we go. Well, that was easy. I've failed that a few times before now. Come on then, Alan, let's go. Yeah, I want to go to the campgrounds. There's something up here? No. Oh. Well, that's just bloomin' marvellous, that is. There we go, to the checkpoint. Ugh. Ring ring!
Barry?
Ow! The porch is covered with birds. They've got all Hitchcock on me.
Stay out of sight. I'm on my way. Don't open the door.
What am I, crazy?
Stay hidden. I'll be there soon. Just make sure you keep the lights on.
Well, let's get back to Barry Wheel. Oh, there's a bird. Bird! Oh, lovely.
I still had to reach Barry at the cabin, but at least I was out of the woods.
Yeah, that's got to be a relief, eh, Alan? Okay, then. A bird! I swear those signs just flickered.
I'd have to get the car from the locked garage. It would get me back to Barry faster, and the headlights were a welcome bonus.
Garage? Okay. If you say so. Somebody needs to clean up the trash. Let's go in the ladies. Shh. Ooh. I would have missed that completely.
The FBI agent's command froze me in place. I considered surrender. It was all falling apart anyway. I could give in, let someone else deal with it. But it felt all wrong. Call it instinct. His posture. The way he held the gun. He was no friend. Shots ringing in my ears, I leaped for the hole in the fence and stumbled into the darkness beyond.
Okay. So we're gonna meet an FBI agent. Oh dear, ladies. How are you supposed to go to the toilet in here? I always wondered what it
I
looked.
had to find the key to the garage.
Oh, shut up. I always wondered what it would be like in the ladies' toilets, having never been into one. But it's a facade. They don't. Do they not need toilets? I don't know.
I needed the garage key to get to the car.
Oh yeah, alright, you bloody idiot. Oh, what's going on in here? I haven't finished this toilet either. What? There's a TV and I can't do anything. Aha!
A story is not a machine that does what you tell it. A story is a beast with a life of its own. You can create it, shape it, but as the story grows, it starts wanting things of its own. Change one thing and you set off a chain reaction of events that spreads through the whole thing.
You sound
The
mental.
characters have to be true to themselves. The events need to follow a logic that fits the story. A single flaw and the magic is gone. The story dies.
Magic!
Alice dies.
Who's Alice again?
You can learn about nature and yourself.
Oh. So the Takens still need the toilet. It's good to know. Oh, why did I do that? I just used a torch for no reason. They're not closed anymore. There's somebody in there taking a massive shit. Okay, get in the wrong side of the truck. Wait. I'm gonna get him. Yeah, that was fun. Hey, here we go, on the road! Bram, bram, bram. Oh my god, this is hard to control. Oh my god. What am I doing? I've been playing too much GTA, and that's the controls are a lot better on that. What with it actually being a driving game, God, I guess. Look at the smoke coming out of this thing. Ow. Just after the thermos, sorry mate. Boom! Ah, the hunting rifle's awesome. Decided to leave that truck, it's a bit of a nightmare. There's a page in here.
There was no misunderstanding. Cauldron Lake was where Alice and I had stayed. But there was no cabin, and no island. I was missing a week. What had happened to me? What had happened to Alice? I had to get her back. I couldn't face life without her.
Ooh, whoa! Holy crap, Oli, where did he come from? Where the hell am I supposed to go? Ah, I guess I follow the birds. For some reason my pointer where I'm supposed to go is messing up, but I definitely go this way. And down the road. Oh, I guess I'm supposed to stay in the car. Whoops. Oh, we could just get in another car. Hold on, this is messed up. Where am I supposed to go? There's my old car. Alan, your map is omnidirectional and I have to end the episode now. So it's time for you to die! I've had enough, I want to end it all! Ah! Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye. I will catch you next time where hopefully I'll figure out where the bloody hell it is I'm going. Maybe up this hill. Yeah, that's probably it. Okay, so I will see you next time. Goodbye!